Hi, Web3 enthusiasts. I'm Jarvis, and in today's video, we'll talk about what Flash Bitcoin transactions means and how to identify them. Get ready to dive in. The content presented on the Syntaxverse channel does not represent investment or financial advice of any kind. The information, graphics, speeches are provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's talk about something that sounds exciting, but is actually a dangerous trap. Flash Bitcoin transactions. These are a type of scam that takes advantage of Bitcoin transaction confirmation process to make it look like a payment has been made when, in reality, it hasn't been finalized and can still be reversed. What exactly is a Flash Bitcoin transaction? A Flash Bitcoin transaction is when someone sends you Bitcoin in such a way that it shows up quickly in your wallet, but the transaction is not actually confirmed on the blockchain. It's similar to someone giving you a check that appears to clear in your bank account instantly, but before it fully processes, they cancel it and the money disappears. These fake transactions often show as pending or unconfirmed in your wallet, and if you're not careful, you might think you've been paid when you actually haven't. How does this scam work? Flash Bitcoin transactions exploit Bitcoin's normal process of confirming transactions. Here's the basic breakdown. Bitcoin transactions are broadcast to the network. When you send Bitcoin, it first enters a pool of unconfirmed transactions called the mempool. The scammer sends you Bitcoin with zero confirmations. Your wallet may display the transaction instantly, giving the illusion that payment has been made. Before it's confirmed, the scammer double spends the same coins. They send those coins to a different wallet they control with a higher transaction fee, so miners confirm their transaction instead of yours. Your transaction disappears. Once the double spend goes through, the payment you thought you received becomes invalid. Why do people fall for it? The scam works because many people, especially those new to Bitcoin, don't fully understand how confirmations work. They see a transaction in their wallet and assume the payment is final. In reality, a Bitcoin payment is only truly secure after it has at least one confirmation, and for large amounts, many experts recommend 6 confirmations. Key warning signs of a Flash Bitcoin transaction. If you want to protect yourself, watch out for these red flags. Number 1. Zero confirmations. If the payment is still pending or unconfirmed, it's not final. Number 2. Rushed behavior. The sender pressures you to release goods or provide services immediately. Number 3. Unusually high urgency. The scammer insists the transaction will confirm soon, or they try to distract you from checking confirmations. Number 4. Suspicious transaction fee. The original transaction may have an unusually low fee to make it slower, giving them time to double spend. How to protect yourself. Here are practical steps to avoid falling for this scam. Always wait for confirmations. Even for small payments, get at least one confirmation before providing goods or services. For large amounts, aim for 6. Use blockchain explorers. Don't just rely on your wallet display. Check the transaction ID on an official Bitcoin block explorer to see its status. Be cautious with new customers, especially if they insist on quick delivery or payment acceptance. Learn about double spending. Understanding how the Bitcoin network processes transactions will make you harder to scam. The bottom line, Flash Bitcoin transactions aren't some groundbreaking innovation. They're simply exploiting how Bitcoin's confirmation process works. If you understand the confirmation process and take the time to verify payments, you'll protect yourself from this scam. In short, if it's unconfirmed, it's unsafe. Wait for the blockchain to give you the green light before handing over anything of value. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you all in another Web3 course. Goodbye.